Let's create your first form with the Easy Form plugin together. So first of all, click on the Add New button for creating a new form. But to save our time, I have already created an example. So let's see how we can easily create a form in a minute. So this is our dashboard. Here we will be able to add the page title. In this case, it is customer feedback. Also, we can add the page description if it is needed. For adding a new field, we just need to click on the plus icon or in the Add Field button. Here we can add the label and choose the needed field type. So now, if all the needed information is added into our form, we can click on the Save button for saving all the changes. Then, the system will generate a separate shortcut for us. All we need to do is to copy the given shortcut and paste it into any post or page. So just go to any post or page and click on the shortcut block and paste the shortcut. So that's it. Our form is ready.